Hello everyone, welcome to THD Best CS Guiding. I am Tasina Begum HD, lecturer in Computer Science. Now I will start second PUC Computer Science new syllabus 2025. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ನ್ಯೂ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋದಾದರೆ ಟೋಟಲಿ 13 ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ 1 ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಷನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಪೈಥಾನ್, ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ 2 ಫೈಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಪೈಥಾನ್, ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ 3 ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಕ್, ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ 4 ಕ್ಯೂ, ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ 5 ಸಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್, ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ 6 ಸರ್ಚಿಂಗ್, ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ 7 ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಡಾಟಾ, ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ 8 database concept, chapter 9 structure query language SQL, chapter 10 computer networks, chapter 11 data communications, chapter 12 security accepts, chapter 13 project based learning. These are the 13 chapters including in new syllabus 2025. ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ 1 ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಷನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಪೈಥಾನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋದಾದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್, ಸಿಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಎರರ್, exceptions, built-in exceptions, rising exceptions, handling exceptions, finally class. These are the concepts including chapter 1. Chapter 2 file handling in Python. First chapter early introduction to files, types of files, opening and closing a test file, writing to a test file, reading from a test file, setting up sets in a file, creating and traversing a test file, the pickle model. These concepts are including chapter 2. Chapter 3 stack, introduction to stack, operations on stack, implementation of stack in Python, notations for arithmetic expressions, conversions from infix to postfix notation, evolution of postfix expression. These are the concepts including chapter 3. 4 queue, introduction to queue, operations on queue, implementation of queue using Python, introduction to DQ, implementation of DQ using Python. These concepts are including chapter 4. Chapter 5 sorting, introduction to sorting, bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, time complexity of algorithms. This concept including chapter 5 sorting. Chapter 6 searching, introduction to searching, linear search and binary search, searching by hashing. These concepts are including chapter 6 searching. When understanding data, these concepts are including introduction to data, data collection, data storage, data processing, statistical techniques for data processing. Chapter 8 database concept, introduction to database concept, file system, database management systems, relational data model, keys in a relational database. These concepts including chapter 8 database concept. Chapter 9 structure query language SQL, introduction to structure query language, data types and constraint in MySQL, SQL for data definition, SQL for data manipulations, SQL for data query, data updation and deletion, functions in SQL, group by class in SQL, operations on relations, using two relations in a query. These concepts are including chapter 9 structure query language. Chapter 10 computer networks, introduction to computer networks, evolution of networking, types of networks, network devices, networking topologies, identifying nodes in a network communication, internet, web and the internet of things, domain name systems. These are the concepts including chapter 10 computer network. Chapter 11 data communication, concept of communication, components of data communication, measuring capacity of communication media, types of data communication, switching techniques, transmissions media, mobile communication technology, protocol. These are the concepts including chapter 11 data communication. Chapter 12 security accepts. Even chapter 12 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋದಾದರೆ threats and prevention, malware, antivirus, spam, HTTP versus HTTPS, firewall, cookies, hackers and crackers, network security threats. Chapter 13 project based learning, Introduction to project-based learning, approaches for solving projects, teamwork, project descriptions. These are the concepts including chapter 13 project-based learning. Totally 13 chapters are introduced in new syllabus 2025 in computer science. In the next sections, I will explain chapter 1 exception handling in Python in details. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.